Hi there, I'm Stacy with WTI. If you're tired of boring dress socks, then you definitely have to check out this awesome 7-pack from HaloYIYI. These socks are so soft and comfortable, and they offer some great options. This is a 7-day upgrade. Each color of the socks is a beautiful bright color, and you have one black for a neutral day. The socks have a really comfortable seamless toe, and it feels comfortable inside the shoes or just walking around the house. The socks are also moisture wicking, so you don't have to worry about your feet getting hot and sweaty in them. Rather, they'll stay dry all day. I really love especially the unique detailing on each sock. So they are not only different colors, but they're embroidered for every day of the week. So there's little decision making, making every day a lot easier. The socks are comfortable and made for men, but honestly, I find them just as comfortable, and I love the beautiful, vibrant colors. These socks make a great gift for one person, or buy the pack and give one away. So everybody will have a day of the week that they can enjoy. My husband loves the socks under his dress shoes, and they go perfectly with different colors and different days of the week, making your week a lot more fun and enjoyable just from socks. And that's my point of view.